guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing a speed clean with me best practices video. With the holiday season right around the corner, we get so overwhelmed with so many things that we have to do. Whether, we had a recital a couple of days ago, you have going to get Christmas decorations and putting up the Christmas decorations and getting the Christmas tree and baking cookies and all these church activities. So the holidays are just jam-packed with holiday traditions as well as other winter activities that you might partake in. So it's just basically a very busy time of year. So with that being said, your house gets blown up sometimes and it's just a mess, and it's really hard to manage everything with your holiday activities along with your regular everyday activities as we're approaching closer into the season. So sometimes you just need to clean fast. And so today I'm going to share with you some best practices that I like to do. I've got about 30 minutes before I actually have to go pick up my girls. So I'm going to speed clean as fast as I can, but I'm going to share with you some things that I like to do in order to get my house cleaned up fast. You don't want to always come home to a house that looks like a tornado just went through it, so sometimes you just need to clean really quickly. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to get a laundry basket or an empty box, whatever it may be, just something that's going to be a catch-all. So this catch-all is basically going to be utilized from room to room so that you can put all the items that don't belong in that zone or room in that basket, and then you can put that basket away at another time, but you're just getting it off the floors. The next thing that I like to have is a cleaning caddy. So the cleaning caddy is going to save me time because all of my cleaning items are going to be right with me, so I can just grab them, whatever I may need at that point, and utilize those cleaning products and clean up whatever I need. So the next thing that I like to have is a trash bag. So this can be your run-of-the-mill Target, Walmart, Meijer bag, whatever you need just to hang on the side of a door, just so you can put your trash in it. Or if you have quite a bit of trash that you need to throw away, grab your garbage can, but just have that item there for you to throw away things that aren't needed. The last thing that I like to have is either a spot mop, so like a Swiffer Wet Jet or something like that, or you can even grab a spray bottle with just some cleaner and maybe like a rag if you're going to clean up the floor. There's always something spilled. Somebody may have spilled something and not realized it and didn't clean it up. You're always going to find those things when you're spot cleaning. So you just want to spray it, clean it up, and you don't have time to mop, so you really want to just move as quickly as possible. Lastly, I like to smell my cleaning products while I'm cleaning, so I don't necessarily want to light a candle right away. But after I'm done cleaning and I've smelled all the goodness that I've used to clean with my cleaning products, I like to light a candle or use my diffuser, whichever, to kind of set that mood and really make me feel like my zone is complete and my cleaning is done. So those are some best practices that I like to use. Comment down below of some other things that maybe some quick life hacks that you guys have to kind of clean your house speedy. And if you're interested in seeing me clean my house quickly before I go get my girls, come along with me.
So today I just have time to straighten up the living room, so that's what I'm doing right now. We just had a birthday party at the house, a sleepover, slumber party. There were 13 girls here, so it was crazy. So those are the balloons that you'll see that I'm kind of tossing around here and there. And over there in that little cage for her 7th birthday, Sophia got a cute little rabbit. So you'll see me move the cage and move that around a little bit here in just a second. So you'll see I'll throw a few things into my catch-all box this time. The caddy is actually right next to that box. I didn't realize that it wasn't on camera there. So, but the caddy that I use with all my cleaning products is actually right next to it on the floor. was really on a struggle bus today with this fitted sheet. I usually don't have any trouble, but I was rushing, so it was just giving me such a hard time.
So I am all done. That took about 18 minutes for me to get as much done as I could in the speed clean. So I really hope that this motivates you to get your speed cleaning done and to stay motivated throughout the Christmas and the holiday season so that you can keep your house as tidy as you possibly can with the hustle and bustle of everything. So I've got to go and get my girls, and until the next video. New little bunny over there, and I still have Christmas stuff that I have to put up, but there's not all the stuff on the floor. My dog is back there whining. Oh, so just a quick pick-me-up. You know, there's my little catch-all box that I used. So